Hi everyone, my name is Tina and you're watching Baking with Tina. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make shortbread swirl cookies, and you can customize the flavor however you like, and you can take your piping tip. I used a 1M piping tip. You can use any wide piping tip. What I mean is wide, it's like an open tip, not a closed tip, because a closed tip, you can't pipe the dough with a closed tip, but you can do it with an open tip. That makes sense? Yes. Okay, well, without further ado, let's get on with the video. In a large bowl, cream together your butter and powdered sugar. Cream them until it is light and fluffy, or you don't see any more of the powdered sugar. In a separate bowl with your flour, add your matcha or green tea powder and give that a mix until you don't see any more streaks of green powder. Once your dry ingredients are combined, add it into your butter mixture in thirds. Beat until the flour mixture is combined. Once the flour is combined, add your milk gradually until your dough is soft enough to pipe through a piping bag. You don't need to use all the milk, and you may need to use more. It really depends. I don't really know how to explain it, but the texture of the dough should be a little bit softer than Play-Doh, and it should be a little bit sticky. I'm using a piping bag with a 1M tip and filling it with dough and then piping it out in a swirl, and just space that out evenly. They won't spread, so you don't have to worry about putting them too close together. You just refill more and just pipe out all of your little swirls until you're done, and then you want to bake that at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Leave them out to cool for about 5 to 10 minutes and then enjoy! Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and you can try this recipe out. Don't forget to like and subscribe and tune in for my next video. Bye!